If you are supporting projects on Giveth with your donations and you're just copying the wallet addresses of the projects, your donations will not get matched. I saw this happen today and I have sent back donations because of it. So let's do a quick guide on how to do it properly. Make sure your wallet is connected in the upper right. Once you got that right, you have an overview of the current round and the projects eligible for matching. On the project pages themselves, this is where it can get confusing because most people are curious and they will likely have the donations tab clicked. And in here you see the recipient addresses on the right from the given network, and it's very easy to just copy an address from here and then end up sending the funds to that address directly. But don't do that. Don't copy the address here. If you copy the wallet's address and send the funds directly, they will not be included in the matching pool. Instead, you should always go with the flow, which would mean scroll up and click Add to Cart. You can support multiple projects here if you want. Then proceed to checkout in the upper right with your shopping cart and click on Donate. This is the important part. This is what actually tracks your donation, and this is what makes the donation eligible for matching. You can choose your network and token here. For example, you can choose Ethereum, and in this case I would choose the Fin tokens because I already have them in the wallet. Let's say you wanted to add 6 to all of them. You would then instantly see that the matching is correct and working as intended. The last step in here is deciding if you want to donate to Giveth 2, 10%, yes or no. You can click and deactivate that, or you can leave it enabled if you want to. Once you're good with all your inputs, you click on Sign Wallet. Then you will have to sign a proof of identity message. Once everything looks right, you hit the Donate Now button. You will be asked to sign an approval. In this case, it's for my 45 Fin tokens. Confirm that. Might be USDC in your case. Once the approval is done, the smart contract for Giveth can now spend your tokens, and you hit confirm one last time. And once that's processed, you're done. You're a giver now, and you supported your favorite projects successfully because your donation is now eligible for the matching pool. Thank you. Hope this video was helpful. Would be nice if you think of me because I'm in this round as well. See you.